Hey everyone, welcome back to the LaceUp channel. My name's Mickey. Today we're gonna cover what is route optimization and whether or not you, Mr. Superhuman Distributor Guy, whether or not you need route optimization. Anyways, let's get right into it. Route optimization is the way to optimize your route to find the most cost-effective route. Oh Mickey, I use Google Maps to optimize my route. Yes, Johnny, I get that Google Maps is efficient for optimizing your routes, but you're not optimizing 18 trucks at once, you're doing one. Your little delivery van with Google Maps works great, I'm sure. This is for the distributor that's got anywhere between 3 and 15 routes looking to optimize the routes based on proximity, based on traffic, based on receiving hours for your customers, based on capacity for each of the trucks, and based on how much a driver spends at each stop every single day. Now, with a route optimizer, you are going to be able to save gas. You are going to be able to more accurately load the trucks. You're going to be able to track your drivers. And essentially, you are going to decrease the amount of truck drivers on the road at any given time. This means that you're going to decrease your liability, decrease your probability of crashing those trucks, and in the end, increase the profitability of your business. That is the impact of a great route optimizer. Now, there's going to be a lot of you that are like, Mickey, I have a route optimization expert. He sits there for 8 hours a day and he goes do, and he comes out with super accurate routes. Well, duh. If a guy dedicates his entire day to finding the most accurate route for your trucks, obviously it's going to be extremely good. The problem is that he's spending the entire day on it and you're paying a person on payroll for doing a job that you can do by clicking one damn button and having it optimize all the routes at once. Now, the question is, do you really need route optimization? As I mentioned before, if you have anywhere between 3 and 20 or more trucks, you do need it. But if you're 1 or 2 trucks and you're doing it by hand getting by, it's okay. You should continue to do so to save cash flow, and continue to reinvest into your business. And then there's a second point. What type of routes do you run? Do you run static routes, meaning routes that you plan one time, and those routes that you plan one time repeat every single week? Or do you have dynamically changing routes, meaning that at any given time during the week, your customers can call you, they can bombard you with orders, and you have to then take all those orders and find a way using your mega matrix of a head to plan all these routes? If you're the person that needs to plan the routes once, I would recommend just getting one of these route planning solutions that are super cheap, couple bucks a month. Or if you're the person that has dynamic routes, then you're going to need a full-fledged system, because it's the only way you'll be able to calculate the most accurate routes. So now that you know what route optimization is, now that you know when you need route optimization, the question is, what are some good route optimization companies? The absolute best route optimization company is Route4Me. Route4Me has been around the longest. They incorporate all the variables that you need to make sure that your route is as efficient as possible. You could even go UPS style and avoid left-hand turns. You could avoid tolls. You can incorporate all these parameters, right, to calculate the most efficient routes. Not just that, but you can plot all the points on a map, make little circles, and draw out your routes. That's the beauty of Route4Me. Not only does Route4Me support the fixed route, but it also supports the dynamic route. That being said, if you're going to go dynamic and you have orders that you want to push to Route4Me, then I recommend you use our system. But besides that, for simple route planning, if you're not the person that needs advance, if you're not the person that has a bunch of money to spend, then I would recommend doing a Route Excel, doing a Badger mapping, something like that, something super simple. I'll go ahead and link everything down below so that you can click through and find the best solution for you. I definitely recommend check out Route4Me first, because they are the absolute best. Anyways, that concludes my conversation, my explanation, and my breakdown of everything route optimization. If you have any questions, if you think this was a complete waste of your time, let me know in the comments below. I'll make sure to get back to you. Apart from that, I look forward to see you guys next time. Take care.